I'm Thomas Baldrick here at ASCO 2013 in Chicago, Illinois. There's two staples in cancer care here in town. One is the Robert H. Lurie Comprehensive Cancer Center, and the other is Steve Rosen, MD, and we're happy to have the latter with us right now.
Well, thank you, Tom. Thank you.
Let's talk about your work. You've got your hands in a lot of different things.
I do. Well, first, I'm thrilled to be here at ASCO, see so many dear friends who return each year and make so many new friends. I'm very proud of our city and in particular our cancer center and the opportunity to show off some of our unique strengths. I've been the director of the Robert H. Lurie Comprehensive Cancer Center at Northwestern for now 25 years. And we have truly a remarkable team of scientists and clinicians. Our programs span from prevention through all aspects of therapy to survivorship. We just were reviewed by the National Cancer Institute and got an outstanding score, which makes me very proud. We're one of the National Comprehensive Cancer Network institutions. We are a founding member of the new Big Ten Consortium. There are about 30,000 individuals who will be diagnosed with cancer enter Big Ten institutions, and it's an opportunity for us to bring the latest care to that population and also to advance clinical trials in an expedited manner.
You're being very humble. This is your brainchild. How did this come about?
This was one of those moments where I was sitting in bed in a hotel watching TV, saw the Big Ten Network, saw them publicizing basketball, and I said, my God, if we can use the Big Ten image for athletics, why not for something as meaningful as cancer care?
And how was the response to that?
Everyone embraced it. It resonated with my colleagues, and the kickoff is actually tonight. They have a reception here at ASCO.
And what will be the purpose of this? What will be the new advantages of the Big Ten Consortium?
Initially, it will be focused on clinical trials and helping young investigators advance their concepts and hopefully bring the latest therapies to our patients. As it evolves, I can see aspects of sharing resources, some sophisticated core facilities or training opportunities, also being able to use the Big Ten image to publicize the importance of our mission.
Very good. Overall in your work, you're very passionate about it after all these years, and you said you've got great excitement about the progress you're seeing. How so?
I just am amazed at what's happened in the last decade in cancer care. Clearly we have many challenges in many diseases where the strides have been fairly modest, but in the diseases that I personally treat, the blood cancers and breast cancer, it's astounding the difference between 10 years ago and now. I can't remember the last patient I saw where I couldn't give some aspect of hope that I could do something significant, either to cure the disease or to palliate the disease, prolong life, good quality of life, and the advances just keep coming at us. And with science evolving so rapidly, and the combination of modern diagnostics and being able to speed therapeutics, I can't even imagine what it's going to be like in the next 10 to 15 years. I only wish I was younger so I could appreciate every portion of the development.
What does that do to your job day to day, the level of confidence you have, the level of hope that you can give to people?
Every day I walk in and I feel excited to be part of the process, and I feel honored to have the opportunity to take care of so many people who are dealing with such devastating illnesses.
Let's talk about your work with the Cutaneous Lymphoma Foundation, your role with that organization and what its mission is.
So I'm on the advisory board of the Cutaneous Lymphoma Foundation. One of my particular interests is skin lymphomas. They're uncommon diseases, but actually if you look at the prevalence in the United States, probably 30 to 40,000 individuals with cutaneous lymphomas. We have a special clinic at Northwestern, which we partner with the dermatologists to see the patients, and we'll actually see about 20 to 25 patients each week. That's a disease where there have been a half dozen new approved drugs over the last decade that have helped to palliate the disease and have been important advances in giving patients better quality of life, controlling the cosmetics of a disease that's apparent because it appears in the skin, and clearly prolonging life. it's been a paradigm for the use of biologic therapies in the treatment of cancers. And so it's really been a privilege to be involved in the treatment of these patients and to be involved in advancing these therapies.
Great. Congratulations on the Big Ten Consortium coming to life, and best of luck in continuing to care for patients, and that'll keep you young, I think.
Thank you so much.
All right. Steve Lurie, MD from the Robert H. Lurie Comprehensive Cancer Center, joining us here in Chicago, Illinois. Congrats.
Thank you so
Good
much.
for you, sir.